Okay guys, we got this crazy piece of footage of this UFO that was captured by this pilot during his flight. So guys, let's take a look at the footage and then we'll have a real quick chat afterwards. So here's what I know about this footage. This was sighted on January the 6th, 2025 over this area of Colombia. Now, while the pilot was trying to get his plane at the cruising altitude of 22,000 feet, this object came into view. Now, he sighted this object at 14,000 feet. Now, the object goes past his plane and it is a black triangular shaped UFO. Now, for some reason, I'm getting an odd feeling that this UFO was checking out this plane, but maybe that's just me. Now, there is an Easter egg in the footage, and if you look closely, there seems to be another UFO there, a dark circle black object. But guys, what do you think this could be? Is this some military exercise, some visitor from another planet checking out how we fly around? What do you think? So until next time, stay blessed and keep safe.
Terrestre et d'activité ovni, il ne devrait pas être surprenant que la zone 51 figure finalement sur cette liste. La date exacte de cette observation ne peut être établie, mais la qualité de ces images suggère qu'elles ont été prises quelque part dans les années 90. Au début, nous pouvons clairement voir 4 orbes brillants planant dans le ciel au-dessus des montagnes. Puis soudain, l'un des orbes du côté droit a disparu, suivi de la disparition des 3 orbes restants. La peur de voir un phénomène aussi contre nature s'entend clairement dans la voix des spectateurs.
Now it just disappeared. They're disappearing. They heard us up on the mountain. They did.
Clip vidéo brut avec source audio, cela a été suivi par les spectateurs qui ont déplacé leur caméra sans but tout en essayant de rechercher les...
Welcome back to the Real or Fake Files, and in this installment we have this strange giant creature that was captured during this lightning strike. So guys, let's take a look at the clip and then we'll have a chat afterwards.
Oh, holy fucking shit, guys.
Now that was a pretty wild clip of this being that some people are estimating to be 125 feet tall. Now, in the clip, we did see this thing move. Now, guys, what do you think? Do you think it's some sort of optical illusion or some natural phenomena, or is it the Grim Reaper himself? Is this real or fake? Well, that's down to you to decide.
Okay, so I'm in New Jersey, and we've been getting a lot of these weird UFO orb sightings, as well as the drones, more than anywhere else in the world, I think. I've been looking it up, sightings from different parts of the world, and this is my first time legitimately seeing one of these strange orbs just sitting in the sky. In this current angle, you see a drone. That's a drone attempting to circle around that orb. I'll have better camera angles for you in upcoming video clips, I promise. I just wanted to at least introduce what I saw here. Needless to say, it was very, very weird just seeing this weird UFO orb shape just sitting in the sky like that, and you're wondering what the heck is that. So very eerie.
Location of this UFO sighting has not been disclosed yet. These 3 black dot-like UFOs were recorded by an eyewitness after finishing a practice rugby game. He described the UFOs as 3 flying unidentified black objects, elevating ahead and just floating in the sky right above them. These 3 black orbs were very distinctively positioned in a triangle formation. Just like most of the other triangle UFOs we have seen in the past, where each orb can move independently. But unlike the other UFOs, this one didn't move away in spite of being filmed by the eyewitness. They continued to remain stationary during the entire recording. So were these UFOs merely observing the rugby game and getting some entertainment out of it? The unexplained nature of these UFO sightings leaves us pondering upon the mysteries of the universe.
Gotta get my camera stabilized. Today's the 31st of January. Come on, stay with it. Where'd it go? There it is, it's coming.